Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade juice. First, select a good quality juicer. Masticating models are excellent for leafy greens, while centrifugal juicers are faster. Next, gather your fresh fruits and vegetables. Aim for about 1 pound of produce per 8 ounces of juice. Always wash everything thoroughly to remove any dirt or residues before you begin. This ensures a clean and healthy start to your delicious homemade beverage. Now, let's prepare your ingredients. Cut larger fruits and vegetables into smaller pieces, ensuring they fit comfortably into your juicer's opening. For items like oranges or lemons, remove the thick outer peel, but you can often leave the skin on apples or cucumbers. Remember to take out any hard pits from peaches or cherries. Feed the prepared produce into the juicer at a steady, slow pace to maximize juice extraction and minimize waste. To get the most out of your juicing session, try alternating between harder and softer produce. For example, follow a carrot with a handful of spinach. This helps push everything through efficiently and prevents clogging. Don't forget to include nutrient-dense leafy greens like kale or parsley for an extra health boost. If you prefer a very smooth drink, simply pour your freshly made juice through a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag to remove any pulp. The best way to enjoy your homemade juice is to drink it immediately. This ensures you get the maximum nutritional benefits and the freshest taste. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight glass container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 24 hours, though some nutrient loss may occur over time. Finally, have fun experimenting with various fruit and vegetable combinations to discover your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.